Hi everyone, welcome to our new products channel. This is our newest product, solar floodlight with 4 colors lamp. Here is the LED light and here is the solar panel, all in one design. Very special design and also very portable design so that it's very easy to take weight. Very good to using in outdoor. And you could also hang it on the wall. This product has 4 colors lamp. And here is the button. You can use the button to change the light. White light, warm light, and 2 mixed light, SOS light. And you could also use the button to change 4 levels brightness. And here is the USB input or output port. If here is a cloudy day, you could use the USB to charge the light. And you could also use the output port to charge your phone. This product is very suitable for indoor or outdoor. If you want more details or you want to buy it, please contact us.